Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, and supporters of youth and sports, today I stand before you to discuss an exciting opportunity. And this opportunity is about the support of the development of under-19 girls football. We celebrate the potential of our young female athletes and recognize the vital role that sponsorship plays in shaping their futures. So, as PC Systems, we take this as a stepping stone towards the future. Football is more than just a game. It is a powerful tool for building confidence, teamwork, and resilience. As we invest in under-19 girls football, we are not enhancing athletic skills, but also empowering young women to pursue their dreams and to break barriers and redefine what is possible. So we thought that as a company, even our girls deserve the chances to train with quality coaches, compete in well-organized leagues, and access essential resources that will help them hone their talents and excel both on and off the field. Yet, to make this a reality, PC Systems is bringing support. In closing, let us remember that the success of our program relies not solely on talent, but on the support and spirit that the community provides. So we ask that we kick off this journey together as we are part of the sponsorship package that comes to EFA to promote under-girls soccer development. PC Systems, we wanted to sponsor the prize package for the sponsorship, which is emalangeni 51,000.